dire need of a haircut. Now, I know that all of us are hunkered down at home right now with mostly all of the tattoo shops closed. You might be considering tattooing yourself or allowing somebody else to tattoo you at home. But I'm gonna tell you, it's dangerous for multiple reasons. So I felt like I needed to make a video touching on this topic. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the big reasons that you never wanna get a tattoo from home. So stick around. Now, we don't judge on this channel, but I'm curious, did you ever get a tattoo that wasn't in a tattoo shop? Leave a comment below. So the first big reason you never wanna get a tattoo from home is, well, you or that person tattooing you most likely doesn't have the professional grade tattooing equipment needed to apply a awesome looking tattoo. There is so many cheap tattooing kits and equipment that you could just buy online that say that they're professional grade and top quality tattoo kits, but I'm gonna tell you, 9 times out of 10, that is not the case. Don't be fooled, and if someone you know is saying that they have professional grade tattoo equipment and they want to apply a tattoo at home, still don't go for it. There is so much that goes into applying a tattoo. Between having high quality ink, needles, and having a great professional tattoo machine. Without having that quality equipment, you could have a poor quality tattoo that's gonna look like a blob on your skin, or worse, have a long-term health issue with your skin. And trust me, I've seen it before many times. It's not pretty. And that leads me to my next point on why you should never get a tattoo at home, and that is sterilization. Now this one hits home to me because I'm always stressing to you how important it is to clean and take care of a new tattoo. At a professional tattoo shop, the artist goes out of their way to wash and sterilize everything in their tattooing area. Not only is that to keep their license, but it's also gonna help them pass health code, which allows them to stay in business. But they know how dangerous it could be to not have a clean area with clean equipment to tattoo in. Listen, a fresh tattoo is an open wound. Now, I'm not saying that your house isn't clean. I'm just saying that the tattoo shops really go out of their way to prevent any kind of infection. Don't want to cross-contaminate, you know? Now, most people that I know that do tattoos from home are trying to, 1, practice and try to get better at tattooing, or 2, trying to go the cheap route because tattoos are just damn expensive. Listen, I don't want you to be somebody's tattoo test dummy. You're gonna definitely end up with something that you're gonna 100% regret. And plus, you're using up valuable space on your skin that you could get something awesome. And if you're trying to practice, there are so many things that you could be using to practice tattooing. Like get a banana or something. Don't use an actual person. And if you're that person that wants to get a home tattoo because, well, you went to a tattoo shop and they just gave you a price and you're like, definitely not paying that, I recommend you just hold off just a little bit, save some money, because then you're gonna get a really good quality tattoo. And besides all of the possible health issues that I mentioned earlier, that tattoo that you're gonna try to get at home is most likely not gonna be as detailed and as awesome as you pictured it in your mind. If you wanna learn more about how much tattoos cost, you could check this video out right here. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.